The dance of Phuyana has very slow movement and very elegant and harmonious, and we should do precise, even simple, but we try to be precise. There are basically three kinds of steps and then a particular sequence of movement of this dance. And now I will show one by one. One step is the lateral step. So I will show now is when we go left side, we start with right. So we go right step, then left, and right, right. Now when we go right side, we start left with left, and so we do left step, right step, left, left. So right, left and double right, and then we go left step, right, and double left. And with this step, there are two kind of arms movements. So one movement is like this. With one, arms go down to the side, 2, and now 3, they go up. 3 and 4, they go up. They are quite extended. And one arm is a little bit higher than the other, but they're quite open, extended, and flexible. Then we continue, arms down, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, arms up, extending, and we continue like this. So this is one movement of the arms. And another movement combined with these lateral steps is like this. So starting the same, arms down, but then when arms go up, they bend. So we bend a bit in front, palms in front, like this. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, up. And the movement should be continuous, so we don't stop. We never see ourselves like this, no, with like a stopping movement, but it's continuous and very soft. Like this. And at the end of this sequence, we will see later, but then there will be some times when we go, we will step and going up first with left hand, right does a lotus turn, and then goes also up. So the movement will be like this, and then on the other side, only in some moment, we do that. Another way of moving is very simple. It's like walking, so we alternate left and right, left, right. And when we do this, we go forward and diagonal. So we will move like this, forward diagonal to the left. So we go left, right, left, right. We do 8 steps like that. And the arms, we do like this. So we go up, extending our arms, and we do some lotus movement with the hands. So we do like this. The full movement is this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another movement that in general comes after the diagonal sequence is like this. It's double tap with left, double tap with right. We do 4 times. And the arms. So when we double tap with left, arms go to the left, like that. Then we move our body weight and we go to right. Again, left, right, and then quickly up. And we do one more step with left foot. And at the end, we will be like this. Now we see the special movement of this dance. At the beginning of the special movement, we will be like this, left arm up and left heel up. So we start and we do with right foot 2 steps in this way. Right goes close to left and open, and again, close to left and open. So when we do this movement, it's important the position, so it's really close. No? We don't cross, we don't go very far, just close. So near left, we do twice. And also pay attention, the heel movement is important, because at the beginning, left heel is up. So we go close with right, and then we open. Now with arms, we right arm follow, movement of the right foot. First time close, and open. Then again close, and now open but going up. Now we move our body weight. Now body weight is on the right side. And we do a step with left, like before, near right foot. Also arm, close, open. And now we only do movement with the hip. We do this swaying movement with hips. Now arms change. We remain with body weight on the right side. Now left arm goes up, right arm goes down with elegant movement. We do this swaying of the hip twice. Again, arms change, right up, left down. We do again twice this swaying of the hips. And then we will continue with lateral steps normally, as before. Now we repeat from step before, so it's a lateral step toward the right side. So we will arrive with left heel up, and then we start the special movement. We do twice right step. Pay attention, right foot goes close to left, not behind, but really close. Once, again, twice. Now left goes close to right one time, and then we continue with the swaying movement of our hips. Changing the arms, and then again. Now I will count, so we start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the arms up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then continue with lateral step. When we do on the other side, so the movement is exactly same but opposite. So at the beginning we will be up with right arm and right heel is up. So left does twice this step near right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left arm up. And we move our body weight, now is on the left side. I do one step with right, 1, 2, then foot remain, but we do this swaying movement with the hips. Arms change, so left goes down, right goes up. We do again twice this swaying movement. One more time, arms change. Now the timing is a little different. Pay attention with the music, because we count only 3, and in the 4 we should already move and start the lateral step. So I do together, and counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Body weight move, and 4. We start the lateral step. So at the beginning we wait when the music starts, and then before do the steps, we wait 2 count. In these 2 count, we do lotus movement. And then from here, we go with the lateral steps, and we repeat 6 times the sequence of lateral step with arms well extended on the side. So we do to the left side and then to the right side. So we repeat 6 times until you can listen the melody. It's important in this dance that we recognize the changing of the melody and also the words later. But so when the melody changes, we do the special movement that we saw before. So we start with left up, and then we do all the special movement, and then like this, with the swing movement, and so on. And then we continue. When in this moment, the words of the song will start. So again, there will be 6 times the sequence of lateral step, left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, the special movement, 3 more times lateral step, and again, the special sequence on the other side. After the special sequence, there is again music, so we will continue with lateral step, always with arms well extended. Then when the words again start, and the singer will say Rinsanyala, with Rinsanyala we go forward diagonal. So we will do this movement, we say before, so we go diagonal, forward. Now we do double tap, left, right, arms up, palms in front, and now we go backward. Also with the lateral step, but you can see that we go back to our starting place. Now arms up, and we do a lotus turn, and we start again, lateral steps. Last part of the dance, so we do same like before, then with the words Rinsa Yala, Rinsa, we go forward diagonal, as we explained before. We do all this sequence, then we come back, like again with the lateral step, but we will go slowly backward to the original place, like this, and 4 times. This sequence, and then we will continue with same movement, lateral steps, arms bending, and we will repeat this sequence 2 more times. Remember that at the end of every sequence we go up first with left hand, and then the right does a lotus turn and also goes up a little bit later. And we end the dance like this.
Samaya